si Patrick Tulfo sa Rapido ni Tulfo. Rapido ni Tulfo.
Of migrant workers, we have Asek Francis Ron de Guzman joining us for today's episode of the program. Asek Francis Ron de Guzman, sir, good morning at belated happy Easter po sa inyo, Sir Francis.
Ayan, happy Easter po, sir. Good morning.
Alright. Sir, first and foremost, thank you very much at kami po ay napagbigay nyo. Alam namin, sir, kapapasok nyo lang at very busy kayo dyan sa may DMW. Anyway, Asek, manghingi lang po sana kami ng update, sir, tungkol dun sa ating mga balikbayan boxes na nandyan po sa Davao Port saka sa MICP. Hopefully, Asek de Guzman, sir, meron tayong good news po, sir.
Yes, sir. So yung sa Davao Port, we've had a meeting with the Bureau of Customs Davao last week. Bago mag-Holy Week, sir, nakausap natin sila. Merong small batch, I think nasa 20 or 30 boxes na for release this week. Unti-unti namin, sir, kasi as of last time na nagkausap tayo, we were supposed to be procuring. So habang hinihintay natin yung full procurement nung nung logistics provider natin, kung kaya natin maglabas ng paunti-unti, we will. So this week, sir, yes, sir.
So good news, Asek, sorry to interrupt you, sir. Natuwa lang po ako. So sir, naglalabas na kayo, sir. Sinimulan nyo ngayon, like what you said, you just said po, 20 to 30 boxes
yes,
po.
Sir. Yes, sir. Medyo good news. Kasi nung last week, nag-meeting kami. Ang sabi, sir, nung natin doon, ng ating mga mababait naman ng mga counterparts saka mga kaibigan doon sa customs there, ang sabi nila, Asek, merong mga boxes na nung in-scan, hindi na namin ibinalik doon sa container. In-store na itinabi kasi medyo irregular yung sizes. Yun yung pagkakabanggit. So,
yes, sir.
rather than isiksik daw po sa container, ihiniwalay na lang daw po sila ng area. So sabi namin, sir, pwede na bang yan yung simulan natin i-pull out? Sabi niya, actually, sir, yun yan, sabihin namin, baka pwede kayong ng truck o kaya kahit na lang, sir, pick up. Sabi niya, paunti-unti, sir, pwede, malalapit lang naman yung ibang mga area.
Ayun. So Asek de Guzman, again, sir, mga ilang boxes ba are we talking about, sir? Mga 50 plus?
Sir, I think that's wala naman po. Parang I think nasa around 20-30 yata yung huling nabanggit, sir, na available na pwede na nating kunin. Ang sabi namin nun after Holy Week, so this week, sir, anytime, our Davao office would be taking care of that one.
Alright. Sir, again, for the purpose of clarification, ito po, sir, yung tag cargo na kumbaga matagal na, sir, naka-ready yan at inantay na nga lang tayo ng Bureau of Customs sa Davao para masimulan na, sir, yung delivery. Tama po ba, Asek?
Sir, ito yung part nung donation na pinirmahan natin last week ng March. Pinirmahan po ng DMW sa kanang BOC. Kasama po itong itong mga kahon na ito.
Ayun, alright. Anyway, sir, that is good news. 20